Let's take a look at the limitations of medical exams from an employment law perspective. The ADA governs whether medical exams can be conducted, which types of exams can be performed, and what uses of information from medical exams can be put. The ADA's requirements differ depending on the stage in the employment process. Prior to making a conditional offer of employment, employers are prohibited from requesting or requiring that applicants submit to medical exams. Even so, this does not mean that employers must make hiring decisions in the absence of information about the health of job candidates. After the employer has extended a conditional offer of employment, the employer is free to require a medical exam to verify that the person is physically and mentally capable of performing the job. Medical exams, if used, should be the last test performed and considered prior to finalizing hiring decisions. Individuals cannot be required to take medical exams unless they're given to all other persons hired in the same job category. The ADA does not limit the scope of medical exams following conditional offers of employment. In contrast, medical exams of current employees are limited to those that are voluntary, job related, and consistent with business necessity. Because employers have ongoing evidence about job performance of their current employees, that information and not medical exam results should be the primary basis for employment decisions. Medical exams are job related and consistent with business necessity when employers have reason to believe that individuals may be unable to perform their jobs because of their medical conditions or that they may pose a direct threat to safety. A medical exam can also be required to document the existence of a disability that necessitates accommodations. Finally, the law allows for medical exams of current employees when these are truly voluntary, such as if the employee chooses to use an employer sponsored blood pressure screening or other wellness program. The results of the exam cannot be used to deny an employment opportunity to a disabled person unless that person is unable to perform the essential functions of the job, even with a reasonable accommodation. However, if a medical exam uncovers information about a condition that does not meet the legal definition of a disability, the ADA does not preclude use of that information to deny an employment opportunity. Employers are nonetheless skating on thin ice when they exclude individuals who are not currently disabled because of a belief that they might develop a disabling condition later.